This is how you're going to turn on Find My Mobile on the Samsung phone. So what you have to do is to, of course, get inside your settings app like this, and at the top of the page you're going to be able to see your account. So you can see the name, and that's essentially the Samsung account, which you can click on, and you can manage some additional things regarding to it. But at the bottom you can find Samsung apps and services, and when you click on this to proceed and get inside, you'll be able to find the Find My Mobile. So for me, it is the second thing in here on the list. You can get inside and make sure that this is turned on, meaning that allow this phone to be found is enabled. And of course, there is also the sending last location, which you can turn on, and offline finding. So as you can see, you get some additional information about it, like you can locate your phone even when it's offline, and it uses some technology or system, so you can decide if you have it enabled or not. But these are the toggles which you are interested in. So this is where you can find it. I hope that you liked the video and found it helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.